તો આજે આપણી સમક્ષ ધ્રુવીલભાઈ ચૌધરી ઊભા છે. એ સેકન્ડ સ્ટાન્ડર્ડના EVSના ક્વેશ્ચન આન્સર બોલશે. તો ધ્રુવીલ, પહેલો ક્વેશ્ચન છે, હાઉ ડીડ પીપલ યુઝ ટુ ટ્રાવેલ બિફોર ધ વ્હીલ વોઝ ઇન્વેન્ટેડ?
Earlier, before the invention of wheel, people it is usual to ride on animals like horse, elephant, camel, etc. to travel.
वेरी गुड, वेल डन. दूसरा क्वेश्चन है, विच मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट आर कॉमनली यूज्ड इन विलेज?
Bicycle, block cart, scooter, etc.
Okay, very good. Why do people in cities use fast moving vehicle?
Because people in cities we need cover more distance in a short time.
Very good, well done. बहुत अच्छा. Which are different modes of transport?
Railways, roadways, airways, waterways.
Well done. Write 3 special things about trains.
Train move on special track called a railway track. Passenger train carry a large number of passengers at a time.
Very good, well done. Why are airways important to us?
Airways are the fastest mode of transport. We can cover very long distance in a short time by traveling through air.
Very good, well done. How is a ship different from a boat?
A ship can carry many people and a large heavy load. And what is smaller than a ship? It can carry less people and a light load.
Very good, good try. What do you understand by communication?
The process by which we convey our message or express our feeling to others.
Very good, well done. Name any 5 means of communication.
Radio, television, computer, mobile, newspaper.
How do the people who can't speak express their feeling?
People who can't speak express their feeling through action and facial expressions.
વેરી ગુડ. તો ધ્રુવીલભાઈ એ આપણને સેકન્ડ સ્ટાન્ડર્ડમાં EVSમાં 9 ચેપ્ટર ટ્રાન્સપોર્ટ એન્ડ કોમ્યુનિકેશનના ક્વેશ્ચન આન્સરના ફટાફટ જવાબ આપ્યા છે. તમે પણ તમારા બાળકને આ રીતે તૈયાર કરવા માંગતા હો તો અમારો કોન્ટેક્ટ કરી શકો છો. બાય.